Everybody keeps talking about AI, but let's be honest. A lot of people are still just scratching the surface. Listen, you may have opened up Claude, typed in a few prompts, and asked it to write something and thought, okay, this is cool. But you still may not fully understand what the platform can actually do or how to really use all of the features available to you. And that's exactly why this Let's Talk AI session is happening. This Thursday, May 21st at 6 p.m., we are doing a full beginner friendly walkthrough of the Claude platform. This is not going to be an overly technical or complicated session. We're literally going to walk through the platform together, click by click, feature by feature, and break things down in a way that actually makes sense for the everyday users, the business owners, creators, and beginners. Listen, we're going to explore the layout of the platform, how to organize your chats and projects, how to use features like projects and artifacts, and how to upload files and improve your prompts and create better workflows and understand what Claude is really capable of beyond basic conversations. We're going to talk about practical ways to use it for business, content creation, branding, ministry, productivity, brainstorming, and everyday tasks. Listen, a lot of people have access to powerful tools, but only are using a tiny percentage of what they can actually do. And my goal with this session is to help you to stop feeling overwhelmed and start feeling confident navigating the platform and using AI in a practical way that saves you time and helps you to create faster. So if you've been curious about AI, confused about all the hype, or feeling like everybody else understands these platforms better than you do, then this session is for you, because we're going to cover a lot of ground, answer questions, and help you to finally understand how to actually use Claude instead of just randomly testing prompts. So join us live this Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern inside of the AI by Design Academy. You can register at letstalkai.net. It's free, and I'd love to see you there. Bring your questions, bring a friend, bring your curiosity, and let's break this platform down together.